Hello everyone, we just wanted to give you a little refresher on how to use our card catalog from your computers or anywhere. You can actually use it on your phone too, anywhere that you want to use them as long as you have an internet access. So I am over here on LCPS Go. I am going to sign in slowly. And then I am going to go down and I am looking for my library resources, which are right here. They're not too far from our Outlook. So I click on library resources. I'm going to scroll down until I see Follow Destiny, and I'm going to open Follow Destiny. You'll see all the schools are listed. I'm going to choose Cardinal Ridge Elementary, and I'm going to type in the topic that I am looking for. So we're going to say I'm looking for snow. So I'm typing in the word snow and hit enter, and there we go. What you see here is all the books. We have 169 books that have snow in the title or in the, maybe it's the author's last name or the subject area. So I'm going to scroll through, and if you look over, there's the call number right here. That's where you'd find it on the shelves. And right here it says 1 of 1 available. That means there's one in our catalog, and it is actually available for checkout. If you go down to this title, it's 0 of 1 available. It means we have one, but somebody has already checked it out. So you might have to choose something different or put it on hold. If you scroll down a little further, I wanted to show you. These are all books right here. You can see by that icon. If you just mouse over it, it'll tell you it's a book. And we can go down until here, and you'll see this one right here is an ebook. Now, let's say, in the ebooks, all you have to do is log in to Mac and Via under Library Resources, and then click on the link here, and it will actually let you open it up, and you can read it yourself, you can check it out, or you can open it up and read it on your Promethean boards. Now, let's say none of these books made me happy. I want a wider variety, so I'm going to type in snow again, but this time, instead of leaving the location as Cardinal Ridge Elementary, I'm going to do Loudoun County Public School District, and then I'm going to hit enter. And this is going to pull all the books, all 2,316 of them, that have snow in it in some way, shape, or form. Now, do you see the little M right here? That's a Safari Montage video. You can actually open that from here and stream the video. And we have like 8,000 Safari Montage videos in our collection. So please, please use them. Again, the call number's right there, but this is where you're looking. You see right here when it says no local copies? That means we don't actually have it in our collection here at Cardinal Ridge, but it is available off-site at other libraries. So like this particular one, you don't really have to, it doesn't really matter where it's at, but you can look and see what schools have it. To get those, and to get any of the books that you find, all you have to do is put a list together. You can copy and paste. You can add to a list and make your own printable list, and then either print it out or email it to Mrs. Henry or myself. If the book is not available in our school library, you can still include it on your list, and we will simply do an ILL, which is an interlibrary loan, to get that book for you. The best thing to do, though, is to make sure that you give us at least 2 weeks' notice, because it takes that long sometimes for us to get books from other schools. And the other part is we can't always stop what we're doing during the day to go and pull books for you. We're happy to do so, but it's a lot easier for us to schedule it into our plans for the day if we know in advance what you're going to need. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys a little refresher. We look forward to serving you the rest of the school year. Thank you.